So hello everyone, my name is Abhay Dixit and today I will show you my task given by Magnet Brain. So here is my task. It is a cart and checkout system in which I have made a dummy database of hardware components. Due to the images lack, I have used randomly images. So in this we can add task by clicking, and if we add more tasks it will show you error like item already in cart. And if you want to view the task you can simply click view, and here we can see the task in big screen. If I go to cart section, and you can see uh, cart added tasks are shown here. We can increase the quantity or decrease the quantity. By increasing the quantity the amount also is increasing, you can see in everywhere, and the total amount is shown below. If we want to delete the item we can also delete it like it. And if we click checkout button, simply we go to the checkout payment gateway button. So in this form we have to fill our name and email address of any customer, and here is the amount is showing like currently we have 38,600 amount for getting the products. So for uh, getting the payment successful we have to enter a card number. So for I am using Splice or Stripe data payment gateway, so we can use a dummy database given by Stripe like 42424242424242, and we can write any date after a few years like 12, 28. We can type randomly any numbers from here. Yeah, and when we click pay, it will show you the status of our payment like successful transaction. It will show name, email, total price, payment, and after that it will show you thank you for shopping with us. And after 3 seconds we can go to jump to main page, home page, and the cart items will be removed from the cart. And if you want to add more items you can click on add items to checkout, and it will go to home page. That is our front end and back end my project. Now if you want to now I will show you my code. I have what I have made using. So for front end I have used uh, these packages you can see here, like Redux for managing the global state, and Stripe for payment gateway, Entity for showing the customizing messages for like we have used in our project. When we click add more items in cart it will show you these messages. These are came from Entity. And we have used Axios. Axios is used for uh, post sending request to our server, and bootstrap is for styling the components, and .env for security purposes, and the react bootstrap and react icons for icons. That's it in front end. If we go to the cart page you can see what I have written in code. So I have used state, you can see the state here. The main state is here. Why? From here we can manage any operations on cart like add to cart, remove from cart, decrement or increment, clear cart. That's all the actions we have written in create slice. And there is a store, main store, which will is providing all the data to our main component by using provider store is equal to store. And for the slice we can go to our checkout page. Here you can see the splice code like is there. We have imported it from here like cart element, use type, use element. So by using these elements we can access payment gateway dummy database. Or here is my data to show the components like here is my dummy JSON data. If I go to MongoDB, you can see what I have posted. uh, Whenever we post or pay any, my list of is slow. So you can see in database we have created a model uh, as named as order schema, yeah, or named as order, and we have created database named as yeah. So we have created database named as checkout. So if we go to the our database, you can simply see checkout, and in checkout orders you can see our data is there. We have posted the data, and the items of cart are is there, like we have posted two data, is monitor and here is CPU. So you can see here, and I have also posted my data to GitHub, and here is the repo, and I have also written the readme file, like clone the repo, how to use, how to install, all the steps are given here. And that's all about my project. Thank you. uh, I would like to get a chance to